ako si Manwa and welcome to a new video. And pupunta po kami sa Sequoia National Park.
See you guys there later! Samahan nyo kami!
Bye!
Mwah!
Andito pa kami sa drive-thru ng McDonald's. Christina. We're waiting for our order. Time check now is 10:20 in the morning.
Yep, we still have 2 hours.
Yung arrival namin expected as like 1:05 in the afternoon. Gaya na po kami. See you later.
This is a medium coffee for you?
This is the regular one, right?
Yes.
Nag-ano kami, ako nag-decaf coffee and then Joseph regular coffee, syempre. But we both have 4 creams and 2 Splenda in our coffee.
For about 44 miles, continue straight.
Oh my gosh. So we still have 2 hours and 43 minutes.
Here it is.
Look at that.
Hello guys, so on the way na po kami pupunta ng Sequoia National Park. 105 miles pa, so
1.5.
oh, 1.5
To be
miles.
exact.
Oh yeah. Yeah, 1 hour and 37 minutes to be exact yung biyahe.
Look at the house. Oh my god, that's creepy. Oh my goodness. Kung diri ka mo may star, ano brown ninyo diri? Ang tabla guys, so cute yung lemon cove. And then everything in here, pag nakita nyo, puro tanang lemon tree. Kung nature lover ka, ma-appreciate mo ganyan tanan ang diring area. Kung diri ka ma-star, yep. The temperature is dropping down. Look at guys.
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint
Is on your right, Sequoia National Park.
Baka namin diri mag-stay tani.
Gateway.
Mario, bakay tree.
I-check mo muna eh.
No.
No, you don't check that Bakay tree. Employees na dito. We have entering.
Dito.
Okay. Close. Here we go.
Sequoia National Park, guys. Look at that. Yagising mo. Visitor headquarters.
Kabunggo. Dito na namin kwa. Ano tali niyo?
Guys, masaka siya kuno guys, so challenge ko siya. Masaki na punggan ko siya atong ano gali. Atong Moro Rock ko na. That's the Moro Rock.
Dito magi.
Haraw dra ka magi sa kilid do. Dahil lang igami sa lakyan na. I dare you. Sa una ginubra ko na nagsaka kami. Dami picture ako day.
Dire?
Ano mas picture ko daw?
Ano?
Guys, so tungol-tungol siya, nagsaka gitu siya. Ano ba siya? Jo, I told you it's scary. Jo, please. Jo! Jo! Wait, taray. Ga! Jo, please! Oh my gosh, Ga, don't do that. Ga, mo na siya kakulbaan, Ga. Abi nyo kung dali lang tawon nyo, hindi siya taas, pero siya kayo. This is the Tunnel Rock. Ah, dito kami nag-park. Grabe, nakasaka ka mo sa Tunnel Rock. Scary, no?
Lagyan mo na yun.
I know. Come on, let's go kayo dito. Mapatato.
Matikang mo na dyan ba to?
Gosh, go. Dito siya nagsaka, oh. Oh my God, I'm so proud of you, Pangga. I'm so proud of you. Grabe ka, Ga.
Send ko sa'yo yung picture.
Or a Vinago. Ah, may ano to, may sapa. Oh my God, it's so pretty.
Nagkata ba si Miss Lakyan? Nagkata po si Gata, si Ine pala.
Oh shit, I don't like this. I don't like this. Dora ako sa roller coaster. Dora ako sa roller coaster. Ah! Kita ka mo, rock ka?
Pero
Elevated.
look at this. Wow.
Goodness.
We're more than 4,000 feet right now.
I think
Kanina 4,000 feet eh. Look at that. Oh, see.
kasi masuka ko ba? Diba?
Naman. Oh, mumuyo style oh. Mga mumulma kahoy yun ah.
Entering giant forest ka. Wow.
Look at that. Look at these trees. Kasi man makita mo ito mga malalaking
Turn into
puno.
orange mga
Yep.
leaves. Ay, nalapit ito. Parang mororok eh. Siya gonna go? Babo siya go?
Babo, sagwa sa pick up.
Beautiful.
This big trunk of the tree.
Wow, look at that.
Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that, babe. Makakasiman mo. Kita mo kung ano kami kataas. Diri. More than 5,000 feet.
Wow.
Yung nakikita mo dito mga there's trees here. Pero sabi nila mas malaki pa yung Sherman tree.
General Sherman.
Yan.
Kita mo ga? Grabe no? Paano
Yeah.
napapreserve din no? Look at those giant trees.
Gani.
Oh my. Ano pa gito?
Dito mo. Di ba? Tatlo sila yan. Ipingay.
Kapobra ka ni sa kabalay mo?
Uy. Sa cabin. This is where we park, right?
Parking. General Sherman.
Alright guys. Okay, so we've arrived here, the area here in Sequoia National Park. As you can see there guys, maraming tao. And some of them are not from California. Some of them came here to visit and check out. You know the starting point. Do you have the map there? Where are we? You are here. Where will start? Yeah, ask them.
Yung ano?
Pinakamalapit sa kaliwa.
Sige pa, salamat po.
Ikaw mo na muna laging narangan na nila.
Yeah.
Hindi kami
You see my wife Christina. Yes.
nahilo ako sa pagganong-ganon ng ano.
Yep. So magta-trail kami. Oo. Oo, malaki mga puno dito. Kita mo. And you have some fellow tourists. Si Christina parang hindi turista, parang taga rito. Yep.
This is my third time.
Third time na daw. Me, it's my first time. Okay.
Malamig. Yung pinuntahan namin ba, hindi ganito.
Lang dira sa taga
Sa
Iloilo.
Piyak.
Ha?
Ito kami sa Piyak.
Eh, mas maayo ni kaya makita mo diya kayo do. Okay niya siya ho.
Nung pagsulod mo to ya,
Ah.
pag-park mo,
Aray.
before, not like this. I know, right? It's the General Sherman.
Is this the one?
May ngalan na siya.
Okay. So,
Yeah, ginaraman siya.
check it out.
Ano, kita ka na. Gina-burn nila.
Yeah. Alright.
It's the General Sherman. Guys, look at this.
Dat is gewoon niet zo'n keer eten, maar dat is niet zo sterk.
Guys, look at this. Oh.
Yeah.
See, that's the General Sherman tree.
Yeah. That's
Sorry
just-
siya go. Guys, oh.
So,
From sang seedling pa lang siya, less than 2 years old. Amo
Yeah.
pala na siya.
that's the point one. Oh.
Then 25 to 100 years old.
Yep. Yun na siya
And then
katulad.
now amo na ni siya.
So this is one is like 2,200 years old na.
2,200 years old.
Yeah. It's 2,200 years old.
The height, yung height niya is ano?
270 feet tall. Okay.
It's okay, no worries. Thank you.
So, yeah.
Wow. Medyo mo, no? Ito 2 years old seed pa lang siya. And then now, dati siya 2,000 years na siya.
2,200 years old.
Oh my
Centuries
gosh.
Pass
So
by.
amazing.
Pila na ka
guys.
centennial agyan.
That's the biggest tree diri sa area. Guys, kalakat kami subong sa mga giant trees. Hello, grabe, grabe.
Well, this park is so amazing.
Grabe guys, so amazing.
It's a good.
So, muna siyang trail. Before dito kami nag-agiya sa ano. Sa una ga, wala pa ni nila ginaharangan. Pwede ka kapak-picture nga maano ka. Progress trail.
This one. Go. May rocks mo doon.
Ba't do balay na kadako? Grabe yung tagdaguan. Ganda ng mga kahoy. Guys, oh. Isang nagkadto kami way back.
7 years ago.
15 years ago. 15 years ago. Wala pa ni sa una sang harang. Wala pa ni sa mga ano. And then, pwede ka pa kapapicture nearby. Closer to the trees. Sa dalom sang tree. Kaya may natumbang nga tree. Gimbutan nila tunnel. Oh my gosh. Imagine, I drove almost 4 hours. Pagabot na rin na malakat kami. It's good if you're still young. Tawala ko na kasexy nga ako no, Blanco. Kita ka na siya. Da. Can you hold my bag? Rich. Please.
Tangi, bili mo lang ni.
Ha?
Bili mo sa slakyan.
Nerd ako na no.
Ang?
Wallet.
Taptan mo lang wallet. Meron mo ko sa pouch dito.
Nag-trail ka guys sa uniforma mo. May heels pa akong tennis shoes. Baby, can you hold my hand? Hold my hand.
Wala ni basa to.
Oh,
Grabe na carb pa nila.
alright.
Makarb bang talihaw?
Mutang datang nga initial do. Baby Shark.
Why meron ko galing sa ano?
Baby Shark is here. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. 26 minutes.
Yeah, up here. And then we just go up there. There's nowhere through.
There you go. Kapal naging burn.
Yep. Guys, okay, so...
Ayan o. Open fire scar. This car is still charred and wood is exposed.
If fire returns here soon, the scar may not have time to heal over. As did the scar on the opposite tree.
Fire creates ideal condition for sequoia seeds to germinate and for seedlings to grow.
Yep. Yun ang kanilang ginagawa
Wow.
dito. So that's why nakikita nyo maraming malalaking puno
Scars.
dito.
Aris lang dua. Ay, sorry. Ang tablo ko, ano kadako itong ano. King cut siya. Ang nakadako iyak ko.
Oh, pwede na bubutang lasa sa lechon, no? Dali tamagi ka, oh.
Amo ni biga dako tapalan. Mo kada biga ko ano kadako. No. Go this way no. Oh, look at that. How big that is.
Guys, kung ano, gusto nyo ako maglasa ka mong si lechon, aring maya tapalano.
It's a cross-section story.
Siguro mga 20 ka lechon, siguro kay go dire.
Ano? So, right?
Wala ako.
Ajá, no hacia la sombra, el sol.
Eh, kita ko mga ako na ano ko, pinalangga ko.
Nagmumuni-muni kami. Nagmumuni-muni kami.
Karnos like ako.
Ayun ka.
Hmm.
Talang na kami nga doon.
Yeah, dito ho.
No, sa lain naman siya nga trail. It goes this way. Ah, okay, okay. Oh my God. Okay lang tani kung ano. Wala ako nag... So, ang ano, ang hangin so cool. Kanaminamis ang pagka-breeze niya. Amo ni balang ginahambal naton. Wow, nagilonggo na takon yan. Nagilonggo na takon. Kailangan you have a quality time for yourself. Right? Kailangan you also have to spend time with your lovey-dub. You know. It's not about the years that you've been together. It's about the history that you create. God, I need water. I really need water.
No.
Amazing. It's the biggest tree here in Sequoia, guys.
I know, it's alright.
Look how little are the people. Tula ka sila kagagmay. Gano'n sila kaliit. Compared to the General Sherman.
Perfect.
Wow. Ang circumference guys, equivalent sa kabalay. Kano kadako? Yes, tala nga tanga duwaton niya.
Malang gano'n, hindi natin gagi ulibo. Totoo, balik lang tadi, wat mo. Dito sabi, nag-diretso kita dito. Oo, nagbalik kita, kita dumaan ko ng kahoy na, oh. Ang kahoy na, ano?
Nautod.
Oo. Ang kahoy na, na bridge na ba? Ang dumaan ko na. Diba ka direba? Madumduman ko lang yung rehab lang. Pero once it comes sa may driving, lugasala ko na.
Yeah, you're right. Going this way. Dili kami sa una nagsaka, oh. Alam mo na una, galabayin di sa una gang ano, mo na galabayin da kami sa una. Oh, nagano na siya. Nakagi ko da may picture ako di sa una nagsaka ako.
Di pa natapos ang main.
Tubang. Nami. Oh my gosh, look it. So, nagagi pa na diri ang ano. Or dito sa piyak gagi sa tren naglagyan.
We're back in our starting round. We're here.
Naglain na siya, ano na
Too
siya.
bad that we could not go further. It's because, you know, alam mo naman na yung kasama ko dito, kailangan kumain, nagugutom na kami.
Gracias, amigo.
Makasimanwa. As you can see, ito po yung small town ng Sikoa. Or we call it Sequoia. Maliit lang. Just, this is along the mountain area to eh. So, pumunta kami doon sa pinakamataas. Pero so, this is mga oil rigging. The second, one of the most largest here sa US, in Bakersfield. Gonna distribute some oil.
So, we are heading back to South Pasadena. At to, hindi kami nakapunta ng Moro Rock. Because it's too much na. And then, hindi ko gusto matabihan kami sa road. Kaya ang road dito very, very narrow. And then, siya zigzag.
Zigzag road. Dangerous.
Dangerous na siya.
Yep,
So-
and during that time is like, we arrived there, like,
2.
almost 2 o'clock.
Yeah, almost.
Porterville. It's just like siguro mga
From
40 minutes from
Sequoia.
Sequoia.
There are hotel dito mismo sa Sequoia National Park. Pag abala kung adventurous kagit ka tao, then you can do that. Pero for me, nadlok ako sa cabin kay basit may mga Bigfoot. Bigfoot, and then not just that, basit wrong turn kami. Oh my God, I don't want to do that. Kaya nag-decide kami na layo kami sa Sequoia National Park. Kaya mo dito there's no signal in
Walang
case of
signal.
emergency.
Even though phone only you can call emergency line, the next wala.
Yeah,
In
but if you're adventurous, then you can do that.
It's
There's a
2000
taco truck.
2,200 years
I like
old.
taco truck.
Na
There's a taco truck na ganun.
Charles Sherman. Okay,
Yeah, there's a taco truck.
may taco truck. Ginutom kami ngayon, wala pa kaming breakfast ngayon eh.
And then there's a Jack in the back. So which way? There's a Denny's over there.
She's going to the taco truck. Yeah. Taco truck. This is it. Yeah. What we have here.
Oh, potato tacos, yeah. Can I have one torta?
Bakersfield's a nice place, even though it's kind of warm, hot during summer, but you know guys, akong tao mahilig sa coffee. Coffee is something makes
Coffee is
me
life for
happy.
you, huh?
Coffee is life for me, you know.
Namulagay sila place, huh? Yeah, so cool.
Order kami sa, pagkatapos, we're gonna go there, buy some our lunch at Jack in the Box.
Alright!
Oh,
Look at that. Look at that.
and you have some
And it comes with pickled carrots and then jalapeno. Alright, let's do this. Look at that. Okay, let's try the torta carne asada. Onion. Pickled carrots. Make sure kung magkaon ka mo sang Mexican food, you go outside and eat, not in your car. Yes, guys. Jalapeno. Oh my gosh, that is so spicy. That is so spicy. That's good. Onion. Joseph went inside the Jack in the Box. Nagbakal siya sang 2 tacos and then the soda. There's a look at that. Joseph is back.
Hola.
Wow, that's a big soda.
Yep. He told me to.
Okay, Joseph will try the torta asada.
And believe me, this is good. I ate this a lot.
And then you get a bite of onion and jalapeno.
Good.
Very good.
The most important thing because
They're authentic.
very authentic.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Sarap.
Alright.
Amek.
Big that is. Alright. You know, taco is messy. Guys, jalapeno. Grilled jalapeno.
Room 243 si Kathleen.
Bye, guys!
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds.